Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here. I'm here to do an unboxing of my paper pumpkin. This paper pumpkin is called Bouquet of Hope and it's the February 2021 box. If you're brand new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. If you've been here before, I really do appreciate you coming back. So I am an independent demonstrator. Let me just get this out of the way. Independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I've been with them for the past 20 years. And like a lot of other companies, we also offer a subscription box. So this comes every other month. You can subscribe month by month, or you can take multiple months to save yourself a little bit of money and earn maybe possibly some host benefits. But it's an all-inclusive kit that comes to your door each and every month. We never know what we're going to get, which is exciting. Now, normally you have to sign up by the 10th of the month in order to receive that month. If you wait till after then, you can't get the box anymore. Now, once you're a subscriber, you can go back in, and if there's any other boxes or refills, you are free to purchase those for subscribers only. You can opt out if you don't want to receive a month. I don't know why you would want to do that, because you know when you do miss out on a month, you miss out on a lot. And if you're interested in signing up for this, I'll leave a link down below where you can go to my online store and check it out. It is $22 a month, and that is shipping included. And it's just a whole box of goodness. And let's see what we have this month. So I'm always a little bit late in receiving mine. It gets shipped from the company. Stampin' Up! Is in Utah, and I am in northeastern Pennsylvania. So with the postal service and everything going on these days, it's been a little bit of a delay, but hey, we save the best for last, right? So you always receive, I want to say you always do, sometimes 1, 2, I mean, we just never know, a little Stampin' Spot. And what this is that this is a small little ink pad, and you can use our refills just like you can on our standard ink pads. And this time we normally do, well, let me find a piece of paper or something here. I'm at the back of my dimensionals. You receive a stamp set. This is all-inclusive stamp sets that you cannot get in our catalogs. And I'm looking to see which is the right way so I can read it. And every month, it's just something fun. So a lot of times it's related to the next month. So this one is called Bouquet of Hope. And let's see, we have a beautiful bouquet of flowers. And this is going to be hard to read because this is little writing. Let me put my glasses down the end of my nose. Sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you, and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. Oh, that's beautiful. Sorry for your loss. And the other one says, I'm always here for you. Okay. And looks like we have some little, almost look like little petals, could be raindrops, and some little flowers. And put my glasses back up so I can see normally now. And this also coordinates with our designer series paper called Flower and Field, which this is a free item that is available only until the end of this month. So we only have a couple days. With a $50 purchase, you can choose this during our celebration time. My nose is a little itchy. Sorry about that. So it does give you a suggestion here, Flower and Field Designer Series paper, free with the purchase of $50. You get 12 sheets of pattern paper, 2 of each 6 double-sided designs, and they are 12 by 12. So you can get that paper for free, but you need to jump on that and hurry up because times are running out. And let's see, on the back, next month we are celebrating with Stampin' Up! And Paper Pumpkin, like our birthday kind of thing. So Stampin' Up! Is wonderful in that they are giving you free items in the next month's subscription box, which you sign up for right now through March 10th. So you're getting 4 free stencils and a Stampin' sponge. And it says, adventure awaits in next month's Paper Pumpkin kit. Here's to you. We've added a surprise worth celebrating, a set of 4 spectacular stencils and a stamping sponge for free along with your box. So we're going to have a lot of fun with that. Look how beautiful they are. And it says, stamp a stunning springtime scene with this stencil set and stamping sponge. Pair this pack of pretty stencils with March's majestic mountain-themed kit, then save the set for future stamping. To stamp with these stencils, make sure your subscription is active through March 10th. So that is going to be a lot of fun. But let's continue. So you have a stamp set and an ink pad, and it's always wrapped in pretty tissue paper. You can choose to save the tissue paper, reuse it, recycle it, maybe even incorporate it in your card ideas. So it's like getting a little gift. So to me, ooh, and that's heavy. To me, receiving Paper Pumpkin is like Christmas each and every month. Comes right to your doorstep. Can't get any better than that. And a nice sturdy box. And you could repurpose this box. You can turn it inside out very easily. It all unfolds, and you can go ahead and make some cards, wrap it with a ribbon, perhaps make these cards and give them as a gift. So this did say, what is the name of this again? Bouquet of Hope. So sometimes there are cards that we have, that we need, that we have to send or to give, that, you know, maybe is a time where something has happened in your life, sadly, and a little hand stamp card can really make the difference in someone's day. And what a better way to do, if you're brand new or if you are a seasoned stamper, to create something fun is by using a kit like this. So we have a nice piece of chipboard that comes absolutely free, no charge for that. And there is an instruction, little pamphlet here, and it shows you the 3 different cards which you can make. And I noticed my camera is the wrong way, so I hope this is recording the proper way. I should have had it flipped the other way. Anyhow, we won't worry about that right now. I'll check it out when I'm done. If it doesn't work out, you won't be seeing this. So there are step-by-step instructions and a little ruler on the bottom, 4 different languages, and there's also a video that you can watch, a Paper Pumpkin YouTube channel. So the kit tells you everything it includes. Too small to read because of all the different languages, but just some alternative projects here as well. And of course, our Paper Pumpkin has a Facebook page where they do show alternative items each and every month on there. So you want to also check that out. So here we have some, looks like a Mossy Meadow twine. Get this out. And we have some beautiful black sequins. They're so pretty, and I love the twine. Almost like a linen thread. I would say it's more linen thread than twine. We have a full sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. We also have envelopes, and these are printed on the inside lining. Let's see, we have them going every which way, so let's check them out. Look at all the pretty colors. Very nice. And they're white, so you can stamp on the outside. Very easy to write addresses on there. But I love that the inside is, it looks like it's lined, but it's printed. And I'm just checking this out because I like to cut up the envelopes sometimes. You know, we sell envelopes separately. So in order to incorporate some more designs, cutting up these, it's like a designer series paper, like a scrapbook paper, right? So let's see what else we have here. So we have some self-adhesive die cuts. We have 1, 2, looks like 3 sheets of them, and they're very thick. And of course, you see they come in all different languages. So this is worldwide. It's released in the United States and Canada, and then later it's released to other countries. So thinking of you, or, you know, if you want to send other languages, you certainly can. And then looks like we have some foil sheets, very intricate cut. Let's look at the back side then, it's less reflective. So if you don't want to use the gold, you can always turn this over and use the white, or you can add ink to this and color that in with using a sponge or our brushes. So you get 3 of those. And then here we have our cards. Let's look at them. So again, these are full-size cards. And again, another thing I like to do, you know, is cut down the center. They're pre-scored for you. And incorporate just some basic white or some very vanilla cardstock and cut up these and just add those to these cut up pieces too if you want. Or if you don't want to, you can just do the suggested cards in the kit. So we have 3 of those. Oh, tuck inside here. We have 3 of these vellum printed with gold. Aren't they stunning? Wow, look at that. Let's see that on a card. That's just beautiful. So we have 3 of those. We have 3 of the plain, oh, some more tucked in. This is Rococo Rose, which is a color that is going to be retiring when our new annual catalog comes out. So if you love this color, and who doesn't love a rose color, you'll want to definitely check out all the in colors that are retiring and get them before they're gone. Here we have some more die cuts. We have 3 sheets, and this also is a die cut. This is printed on heavyweight paper, so it's not like thin paper. It's a nice weight to it. Very stunning. So this looks just like the stamp. And then we have 3 more cards. Very pretty. Again, you can cut that and incorporate that with the Rococo Rose. Look how beautiful that works together. And then we have a sheet of labels that you can stamp on. And they've even included some adhesive dots. So if you don't have any adhesive, you can use these to put your card together. Between these and the dimensionals, that would be plenty to put your card together. So I'm just going to be doing my unboxing now, and I'm going to get working on putting some samples together. What I like to do is make the samples as suggested and then go off the charts and make some projects, you know, of my own. And I will come back and do a video with that soon. And yeah, this is a really great kit. You get a lot for your money. The stamp set, the ink pad, all the accessories, the cardstock, the die cuts, the vellum sheets, the sequins, you know, linen thread. I mean, for $22, it is quite a bargain. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave down in the comments below, what do you think about this? What type of cards would you like to make with this? Or maybe you don't want to make cards at all. You can make 3D projects, or you can incorporate this into scrapbook pages. It's limitless what you can do with it. So be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Hit the subscribe button, ring the little notification bell. I truly appreciate that. That helps me know if you like what you see. Maybe you don't like these kinds of unboxings, you know, but be nice. And thanks so much for joining me, taking time out of your busy day to spend a little bit of it with me. So have a great day and keep on crafting. We'll see you back here real soon. Bye for now.